Dear children, in this module, we'll study about the different kinds of beak that birds have. Children, as we all are human beings and we eat food to grow and stay alive, in the same way, different kinds of bird eat different kinds of food in order to keep themselves alive. Birds like sparrows, hens, etc. eat grains, seeds and worms. Basically, worms are very small insects that can be seen crawling on the ground. While birds like parrot loves to eat nuts and fruits. On the other hand, some wild birds like eagle eats flesh of animals such as rats and rabbits, while vulture eats flesh of dead animals. So basically, different kinds of bird eat different kinds of food. Birds eat food with the help of their beak. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kinds of food it eats. Birds use their beaks not only to eat food, but also they use their beak to build the nest. Not all the birds have same beaks. Different kinds of birds possess different kinds of beaks. So children, now let's discuss the shape of beaks of different birds. Starting with sparrows and pigeons, these birds have crushing beaks. C-R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Crushing beaks are hard and short. Birds use their crushing beaks for crushing grains and seeds to make them soft. Talking about parrot, that has a curved beak. C-U-R-V-E-D, curved. Curved beak helps them to break open fruits and nuts. Moving on to duck, which has a flat and broad beak. B-R-O-A-D, broad. Children, you can see in the picture that a duck has two holes on the either side of the beak, which helps them to filter all the mud and water from the food. Next one is woodpecker. W-O-O-D, wood, pecker, P-E-C-K-E-R, pecker. It has a strong, long and pointed beak. Basically, woodpeckers use their beak to drill holes in the trees and also to eat insects from the bark of tree. Next one is swallow bird, which has small and broad beak. Swallow bird use their short beaks to catch the insects while flying. Moving on to sunbird. Sunbird has slim and long beak that helps them to feed the nectar from flowers. Last but not the least, vulture and eagle have very strong, hard and curved beaks. There is a slight hook at the end of the curve in the beak. That hook helps vulture and eagle to tear the flesh of dead animals.